Ron back with another product review here for the channel. Today we have the strobe light by StartRC. I review many of their products for you. They can be purchased very affordably on Amazon.com. This one was like a little over $20. Like, I'll put the price down below, but it was like between $20 and $25. And said you can get 2 days free shipping if you're an Amazon Prime member. So I will leave said links down below if you're interested in ordering this product, and I make a small affiliate link for anything you click, purchase through this link I'll leave below. So why did I choose the StartRC product over more popular names like Loom Cube, Firehouse, I'm forgetting another one. There's like 3 names that everybody knows in the lights for the going drones to make them legal to fly at night, and also at civil twilight, right after the sun has set below the horizon, but it's still light. And I just wanted something a little more affordable, and I wanted something maybe small, compact, that would fit on the Mini 2 well also. So let's get into this unboxing and demo. I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to try to install it on the Mini 2, and then hopefully we'll do a test of how bright it is, and we'll check the paperwork to make sure it's good for 3 statute miles, which is what the FAA requires for night flying and civil twilight. So be right back. Alright folks, so back for the tabletop hands portion of the video here. So again, we have the branding here on StartRC, strobe light, and then it has Chinese symbols, and it has a little picture of the light here, and then of course made in China, if that's important to you. And it says it's for the Mavic Air 2, Mavic 2 Holy Stone. Doesn't say the Mini on here, but it's abbreviations here, but let's hope it does fit the Mini. So okay, then it has the web address for StartRC and a QR code. Okay, so for purposes of, in the interest of time here, I've already taken it out of the box, so at the same time cutting it out. So okay, here's the product. Let's look at the instructions here first here. Chargeable strobe light manual. I'm looking at all the Chinese side here. Let's see here. Okay, I see. It gives you Chinese and English at the same time. Okay, the specifications here features 2 high brightness LEDs, high transparent lampshade, 2 lights flash, 4 different colors, 3 working modes, flashing, SOS, and long light. It comes in 3M through easy to attach and remove. So we got some tape for it. Allows you to attach to a drone, car, boat, bicycle. Features memory function. Comes with a chargeable battery, long-lasting and durable. Battery, it's got a 70 milliamp, 15 volt. Charging time 1.2 hours. The red light indicates when it's charging. Battery life about 4.5 hours. Little difference under different working conditions. So I do not get any specifications on here about if it's 3 statute miles or not. So maybe that's on the website. So okay, let's put those instructions down. So here's what you get in the box. Okay, obviously here is the light itself. It has looks like a pull off stickable tape there. Here would be maybe the ends you would put it. Gives you a couple here that you put on the drone, and then you would probably stick that on. Here is your charging cable, and it is USB-C. Everybody loves USB-C, so this is a USB-C product there. And then it gives you a couple little these rubber bands, which I don't know what they're for, but so that's your setup here. So let's see. I think I have already plugged this in and charged it up. I forget what I did just the other day. I got this a couple days ago, but I think I did pre-charge it with the cable. USB-C cable I already have around. So it's kind of trial and error on these drones where the best spot is, you know, where it won't affect the GPS. But I guess if we got it close to the front here, it'd be over the camera. The GPS is probably back here a little bit further. That is a good guess. If anybody knows exactly, they can let me know in the notes down below in the comments section here. But we're going to try it for right here for right now. So before we put it on, we will check out some of the buttons here. So these are just not really buttons, they're kind of handles per se. No button there. There's your charging port there, if you can see that. Yep, they're focused in. Here must be the button that does it, the magic button over back here. Yep. So okay, you push it. There's your different colors. There's green. There's your white. There's your red. There's your green again. It's kind of a different green. All right, so that's the brightness here. I'm gonna blind anybody at home here. So let's see, probably I didn't read it, but probably to turn it off, you hold it down for a couple seconds. Okay, so I held it down for like 2 seconds, turned it off, and various pushes will make it strobe. You know, strobe, stay on. What with the 3 functions again? 3 functions all these little lights have. So I guess I would put it on. You know, I guess I want the button in the front there. It'd probably be easier than have it in the back. So maybe see if we can put this on here. So, all right. So you peel this back here, and it looks like it already has. You know, it's connected here. So let's see. Let's just put on here and you know, push it down. Real good. Push it down firmly. Looks like I got it on there fairly straight. Alrighty, and then I should be able to pull this off, but I won't pull it off now until it kind of on there and seals for a while. But let's turn the lights out in here, and we're gonna test to see how good this is. As dark as I can get this right, because it's daylight right now. I have this you know, the shades closed as much as I can. But let's hit this button here. Get it going here. There's some white blink. Okay, I'm going to hit the lights here, folks. Sorry, that's as dark as I can get the room right now. It's during the daylight, but I will try it again when it gets dark outside, and maybe we can even take out and fly it at civil twilight. There's the red. There's the green. All right, that's I'm going to end this portion of the review, and we will, you know, get it outside in the dark here when it gets dark. All right, thanks. Okay, here's the little Mini with the SmartRC light on. This is the white light. You can see the lights on the bottom of the Mini here. Let me change it over to a different color. Okay, there's the red. Okay, there's the green.